Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Amazon Associates link tracking with Bitly, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with authorizing Amazon Associates link tracking with Bitly, first, sign in to your Amazon Associates account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the Product Linking tab in the top menu. Click on Link to any page. Enter the product URL you want to promote in the provided field. After that, click Get Link. Copy the generated link to your clipboard. Now, open a new tab and go to the Bitly website. If you don't have an account, create a new one by signing up. After signing in, you'll be on the Bitly dashboard. Look for the Create button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Create to open the link creation dialog. Paste the Amazon Associates link you copied earlier into the designated field. Bitly will automatically generate a shortened link for you. Before finalizing, you can customize the back half of the link if desired. Once you're satisfied with the link, click the Save button. Now, you need to enable link tracking in Bitly. To do this, go to your Bitly settings by clicking on your profile picture. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Link Management section. Ensure that the tracking option is enabled. This allows Bitly to collect data on clicks for your shortened link. To conclude, copy your new Bitly link. You are now ready to share your Amazon Associates link using Bitly while tracking its performance. And that's how you authorize Amazon Associates link tracking with Bitly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.